Okay, people, we got a 2017 Chrysler 300. Needs front brakes. Take the lugs off. It is a 22 millimeter. .22 on the Milwaukee. See the batteries? Dang, it's no good. Okay. It's actually a 13 millimeter. Okay. Okay, get you some spray. You gotta hold this. Just hold it. See, take it out, get you a good grip on it now. Okay, they out. Okay, let's get this off. Got this from Home Depot, Milwaukee. You don't gotta hang up nothing. Just tuck it right there. All that, oh, hang it up. You don't got to. Just tuck it, man. We trying to get this done, get our money. Get to the next job. See the rotors? They're pretty warped up. Let's get them out of there. I think that's an 18 or a 19. Be done with this in no time. $21. 21 people. 21. You know I love my Milwaukee, but this battery, this mess, we can't do it. That's that thread lock. Either that's some strong thread lock, or we gonna have to retire the Milwaukee. Think she's getting a lot of miles on her, people. All right, got the rotors from, you know, Detroit, pass from Detroit. You know what I'm saying? We in Detroit, so we gotta use Detroit. Okay. Let's get the rotor off. We in Detroit, so we only use Detroit. These bad boys on here, people. Just gotta put you something on it. Pretty big. It's a big rotor. Big rotor. Just get back set up. Just get back set on. Whoa, holy moly. Okay. Ice, ice, baby. What you say, Josh? It's so comfortable in that Rover. Shoot, how can you not fall asleep? Give me that caliber. It's a 2-piston caliber. Give me an old pad, people. Let's get this thing done, compressed. Okay, we compressing in the caliber pistons. These should go in pretty easy. Try to get right in the middle so I can pull them both. See what I'm saying? Yep, right there. Right in the middle. Let's get them compressed. Yep, see, they're both compressing. See how they're both going in? That's what we're gonna do. Got our Husky C-clamp. Pretty good. Auto's on special, on sale. $9.99. You know? Okay, now sit it back. Don't let it hang. Okay, get your grease. This guy with some grease. Hit your contact points, which is here. It's there, even though this grease ain't shit. A joke. But we'll use it, it's free. Then this is supposed to do both sides. Isn't that funny? Barely enough to do one. The hell? All right. Okay, let's get these in. Slide it in. Let's get these in, people. Slide them in. Okay. There we go. There we go. That caliper. That caliper. Screws. Let's get those screws in there. All right, let's get 13 millimeter. Tighten him back up. You're gonna have to hold that. That's it. Alright. See? It's a good feature, but I'll never let them come out on you. Okay. That's that. Let's get the tire back on, people. And that's it for front brakes on a Chrysler 300. That's it. Front brake installed. We service foreigns too, people. All right, let's get the wheel cut. Let's get it back on. Okay, tire is going up. Let's get that tire on. Okay. Whoa. All right, well, you know, the tire's going on. Brakes job is over. I'm gonna do the rears. So I give a video for the rear brakes. So, and how to remove wheel locks, because this has some stupid wheel locks. Whew, I had to get them off. So I'll make a video for that in a second. And that's all she wrote, people. Thanks for tuning in.